Following on from the previous video, I'm going to give you another example. So in this video, we're going to try and integrate cos to the power of 5. So remember, we're always trying to obtain this, something being the derivative of another thing. So to integrate this, break this up into 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3, and then let's merge these two together. So you've got one block squared. And then you've got this thing here. So this block of cos here is a bit like this f prime here. But then you want to convert this into everything involving sine. You want to turn this block into everything everything involving sine. So that this is like your cos, and this is like your sine. So now you can see that this is the exact derivative of sine. So, well, whenever you have cos squared, you can always make use of this because you've got cos squared here. So, so if you take away sine squared from both sides, you would have this sine squared x equals cos squared x. So now put this block into here. So that will then give you this. And then you've got your squared, and this block of cos here is this block of cos here. So now if you look at this, this is the derivative of everything containing sine. If you look at this, this is our cos here, and you notice that this thing here all contains sine, So now we can use substitution. Well, whenever you get this thing being the derivative of this thing, you know it's going to be easy to integrate if you use substitution. So use substitution. So now let u equal sine of x. So differentiate this side. That will then give you this. We want to replace this dx. So divide both sides by cos. So that will then give us this. So now if we put this into this dx here, then this cos will cancel out with this cos. So that will then, and then if you put u into here, that will then give you u squared. So this whole thing here becomes this. And by the way, you don't actually need to do this here, because this thing here is exactly the same as this. So you can just put this into here straight away. So that will then give us this whole thing here. Okay, so now it's easy to integrate. So multiply out the brackets here. So that will then give us this thing here. So now integrate this. That will then give us this. Integrate this. That will then give us this. Integrate this. That will then give us this. Remember, earlier we said let u equals sine of x. So now we can put sine of x back into the u here. Put sine of x back into here, put sine of x back into here, and this is your final answer. Okay?